Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ओम भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। 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 Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Her love for Swami expressed itself as concern for Swami's physical well-being, Swami's name and fame also, because there are some beautiful episodes where when Swami would give a discourse or when Swami would give an interview and Swami would say that my devotees, wherever you are, I will come and protect you, you just have to call me, I'll come. And Mother Iswaramma would be sitting in a corner and wondering, this boy is giving all kinds of promises. Tomorrow if he doesn't go, what will people talk of him? So she was concerned of Swami's fame, and when Swami would quote the Vedas and the Upanishads and the Gita, she would go and ask the other scholars like Professor Kasturi, Amritananda, who was there, Serigane cheptunnada? She would go and ask them, is he quoting properly? Are these things really there in the scriptures? And she always had the fear that one day a scholar or a Pandit would come and say, these are not there in the scriptures, or you have quoted it wrongly. So she was scared. Her concern, the love that she had for Swami expressed itself as concern, and that concern expressed itself as she wanting Swami to do certain things in a certain manner. When somebody invited Swami to a place in South India which was known for atheism and extremism, Swami had accepted the invitation. The moment she got to know of it, she came running, puffing and panting to Swami's dining room, and Swami was having food. Swami looked at her and said, "Hey Mayindi, why did you come running like this?" And she said, "Swami, I heard like this. Please give me a boon that you will not go there. Promise me that you will not go there." Swami asked, "Why are you saying that?" She says, "Swami, I hear that they are not believers in God. Why do you have to go to such a place? Isn't there any other place where you can go and spread goodness?" Then Swami said, "See, the doctor needs to go where people are sick. That is precisely the place where I have to go, and don't stop me." But that was her concern. She was worried for Swami.
विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना सिद्धि विनायक हे दुख भंजन विनायक हे दुख भंजन सिद्धि विनायक हे दुख भंजन विनायक हे दुख भंजन असुर विनाशक शुभानना असुर विनाशक शुभानना असुर विनाशक शुभानना असुर विनाशक शुभानना शुभानना विघ्नविनाशक शुभानना विघ्नविनाशक शुभानना विघ्नविनाशक शुभानना लंबोदर हे गौरी नंदन लंबोदर हे गौरी नंदन विघ्नविनाशक शुभानना विघ्नविनाशक शुभानना सिद्धि विनायक हे दुख भंजन विनायक हे दुख भंजन असुर विनाशक शुभानना असुर विनाशक शुभानना गौरी नंदन मूषिक वाहन गौरी नंदन मूषिक वाहन विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना विघ्न विनाशक शुभानना लंबोदर हे गौरी नंदन
Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God.
Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God.
Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God.
Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God.
Bow to the endless light, to the light that is my very life.
Bow to the endless light, to the light that is my very life.
Bow to the endless light, to the light that is my very life.
Bow to the endless light, to the light that is my very life.
Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai.
Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai.
Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai.
Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai.
Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God. Bow to the endless light, the light that is my very life. Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai. Bow to the indwelling Lord, our true Guru Shri Satya Sai. Bow to the light within, to the omnipresent light of God.
राम राम जय रघुकुल तिलका राम राम जय रघुकुल तिलका राजीव लोचन राजीव लोचन ईश्वराम्ब सुत जय जगवंदन ईश्वराम्ब सुत जय जगवंदन विश्वराम सुत जय जगवंदन रत्नाकर कुलदीपा रत्नाकर कुलदीपा रत्नाकर कुलदीपा साई रत्नाकर कुलदीपा राम राम जय रघुकुल तिलका
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी माँ कृपालिनी माँ
जननी मां कृपालिनी मां
जननी माँ कृपालिनी माँ
जननी मां कृपालिनी मां
तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ
तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मां
तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ
तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मां
दया करो सत्य साई माँ
दया करो सत्य साई मां
कृपा करो सत्य साई माँ
कृपा करो सत्य साई मां
जननी प्रेमदायिनी माँ
जननी प्रेमदायिनी मां
जननी प्रेमदायिनी माँ
जननी प्रेमदायिनी मां
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी साई देवी दयामयी
जननी माँ कृपालिनी माँ
जननी मां कृपालिनी मां
तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ
तुम हो प्रेम स्वरूपिणी मां
दया करो सत्य साई माँ
दया करो सत्य साई मां
कृपा करो हे साई माँ
कृपा करो हे साई मां
जननी प्रेमदायिनी माँ
जननी प्रेमदायिनी मां
जननी प्रेमदायिनी माँ
जननी प्रेमदायिनी मां
जननी साई देवी दयामयी अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम
अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम
अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम
अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम
येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम
येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम
येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम
येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम
सौराष्ट्र
कृष्ण तुम
साई राम तुम साई कृष्ण तुम
साई राम तुम साई कृष्ण तुम
साई राम तुम साई कृष्ण तुम
सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम
सर्वधर्म प्रिय तुम
श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम
श्री सत्य साई प्रिय तुम
त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम
त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम
द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम
द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम
त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम
त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम
द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम
द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम
कली युग में साई 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 प्रभु तुम
सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम
सर्वधर्म प्रिय तुम
श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम
श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम
अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम
अल्लाह ईश्वर तुम
येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम
येशु बुद्ध प्रभु तुम
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम
राष्ट्र महावीर तुम
साई राम तुम साई कृष्ण तुम
साई राम तुम साई कृष्ण तुम
सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम
सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम
श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम
श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम
त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम
त्रेता युग में राम प्रभु तुम
द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम
द्वापर युग में कृष्ण प्रभु तुम
कली युग में साई प्रभु तुम
कली युग में साई प्रभु तुम
सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम
सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम
श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम
श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम
सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम
सर्वधर्म प्रभु तुम
श्री सत्य साई प्रभु तुम
श्री सत्य साई
सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ब्रह्म ज्ञानं ब्रह्म अनन्तं ब्रह्म अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानम् अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ब्रह्म ज्ञानं ब्रह्म अनन्तं ब्रह्म सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं ब्रह्म
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्द विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममस्तु यव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीम दाओ तु रहीम दाओ तु वासुदेव गोविंद स्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु
Christian prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Muslim prayer. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. Most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. You do we worship, and your aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, those whose portion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Buddhist refuges. I take refuge in the Buddha. I take refuge in Dharma. I take refuge in the Sangha. Hindu prayer. The universal teacher is the creator. The universal teacher is the protector and sustainer. The universal teacher is the Almighty. The universal teacher is verily the supreme unmanifested one. To that Guru we offer our prostrations. Zoroastrian prayer. Just as the will of the ruler of the universe is supreme, So is the spiritual teacher supreme through his asha. The gifts of good mind are for those who do good deeds in the name of Mazda. The strength and power of Ahura are given to him who renders help and shelters the poor and needy. Jewish prayer. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. You shall love God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your resources. Let these matters which I command you today be upon your heart. Teach them thoroughly to your children, and speak of them while you sit in your home, while you walk on the way, when you retire, and when you arise. Amen.
పవిత్రమైనటువంటి యొక్క పరమాత్మ తత్వమునే మన హృదయమునందు ప్రతిష్ఠింప చేసుకోవాలి.
We should install spirituality in our hearts.
ఇది చేసుకునేటువంటి విషయం కాదు.
It's not the one that
ఒకరు అందించేటువంటి ప్రెజెంట్ కాదు.
it cannot be gifted.
ఒక కంపెనీ సప్లై చేసేటువంటి పదార్థం కాదు.
It's not supplied by any company.
తన యందే ఉంటున్నది.
It lies in you.
సర్వతః ప్రాణిపాదం. తన యందే ప్రతిష్ఠ అయి ఉంటుండాలి.
It's installed in you.
కానీ దానిని సరైన రీతిలో మనం వినియోగించుకోవటం లేదు.
But you are not making proper use.
ఈ తత్వమును గుర్తించినటువంటి వ్యక్తులకు ఎట్టి భేదమును లేక ఎంత దూరమును కూడా విచారించక అనేక విధమైనటువంటి యొక్క ఆనందమును గృహలో కోరి పరిస్థితులకు ప్రభావమునకు గురికాక వెంటాడుతూ ఉంటారు.
Those such feelings will not observe any kind of distances. They will be blissful all the time, not disturbed by circumstances.
ప్రయోజనం లేదు.
It's not enough if you're here.
దాని యొక్క మాధుర్యమును గుర్తించడానికి ప్రయత్నించాలి.
You should make an effort to enjoy the sweetness.
కమలం పైననే ఉంటుంటాది కప్ప.
The frog is present on the fruit.
కానీ ఆ కమలమునందు ఉన్నటువంటి మకరందమును కప్ప కోలలేదు.
But the frog cannot experience the nectar contained in the flower.
దూరం నుంచి వచ్చి ఆ యొక్క తుమ్మెదలు ఆ మకరందాన్ని త్రాగిపోతుంటారు.
But honeybees come from far off places and enjoy the nectar in a flower.
కనుకనే మానవత్వంలో అట్టి పవిత్రమైనటువంటి ఒక దివ్యత్వము ఉన్నదనేటువంటి సత్యాన్ని గుర్తించడానికి ప్రయత్నించాలి.
Therefore we should make an attempt to understand the sacredness is present in human life.
గడిచిపోతుండాలి. ప్రచండ మారుతం వలె కాలం అతి వేగంగా గడిచిపోతుండాలి.
The time is passing by like a whirlwind.
ఆయు ప్రమాణం అనేటువంటిది మంచుగడ్డ వలె క్షణ క్షణమును కూడాను కరిగిపోతుండాలి.
Life span is melting like an ice.
కానీ మానవుడు కర్తవ్యాన్ని గుర్తించక మునిపే కన్ను మూస్తున్నాడు.
But man is bringing his life to a close without recognizing
మానవుని యొక్క ప్రధాన కర్తవ్యము.
What is the main responsibility of man? Duty of man.
No. కనుకనే వాట్ ఇస్ ది పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్?
What is the purpose of life?
ఈ యొక్క మన జీవితం యొక్క పర్పస్ ను మనం గుర్తించుకోవడానికి తగిన ప్రయత్నం చేయటం లేదు.
We are not making an effort to realize the purpose of life.
నాకు ధనం కావాలి,
I want money,
నాకు ఉద్యోగం కావాలి,
I want job,
నాకు సుఖం కావాలి,
I want happiness,
ఆనందం కావాలి.
I want...
ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది?
Where from you get them?
దైవానుగ్రహం అనేటువంటి దానికి దూరమైపోయి ఈ విధమైనటువంటి పాంచభౌతికమైనటువంటి శరీరమును పోషించుకునే నిమిత్తమై సర్వ సుఖమును కావాలని ఆశిస్తున్నాము.
You are far off from God's grace, and to keep this body, sustain this body,
ఇలాంటి లౌకికమైన భౌతికమైన ప్రాకృతమైనటువంటి సుఖమును ఉండినప్పటికీ అది సుఖములు కానే కాదు.
Is no comfort, there is no happiness so long it is worldly and physical.
త్యాగరాజు కూడా చెప్పాడు.
This said by Tyagaraja.
ఇది చాలా సుఖమా, ఈశ్వర సన్నిధి చాలా సుఖమా?
Is it wealth that confers you happiness, or the proximity?
భగవత్ అనుగ్రహానికే పాత్రులైతే ఈ నిధి ఎంత మాత్రం మనకు?
If you are recipient of God's grace, what do you care for money?
కనుకనే మొట్టమొదట సన్నిధిని మనం కోరడానికి తగినటువంటి ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి.
Therefore we should make an effort to earn this proximity to the divine.
ఈ లౌకిక సుఖములు కాదు.
The worldly happiness is no happiness.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवं मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्र शयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंदुकु मंगल आरती अंदुकु मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 peace 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 on earth peace 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 for all the universe for all the universe for all the universe जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा